In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get knowledge Deepwoken Layer 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about various different ways in which you will be able to obtain knowledge in Deepwoken. Knowledge is going to be very important for you to do specific builds and engage in various activities on Deepwoken. So, ways of obtaining knowledge are going to include achieving milestones and completing certain quests. So, something that you can do is first obtain a resonance awarding 5 knowledge. You can purchase starting knowledge, echo upgrades awarding 1 knowledge per upgrade level, with the maximum being 5. You can gain power, awarding 1 knowledge per power level, with the maximum being 19. Finishing Beirut's quest on Meteor Isle will award 2 knowledge. Supplying the diver expedition will award you 1 knowledge after turning in the supplies. Collecting Curson's medallions and handling them into Clarice Littlefield at a rate of 5 medallions for 5 knowledge after beating the Scion of Ethereum and escaping Eucursa. Finishing Mandasia's quest in Layer 2 Floor 1 awards 2 knowledge after talking to her in Layer 2 Floor 2. Catching Goldfish awards 1 knowledge per catch, with the maximum being 5. Killing Primadon for the first time awards 2 knowledge, and killing Primadon while having dealt at least 8,000 damage will give you 1 knowledge and can be repeated, so 20% of his HP. Killing the ferryman for the first time gives you 2 knowledge after taking the exit portal, and talking to ferryman in the spring after killing him will give you 1 knowledge and can be repeated. Killing Chaser will give you 2 for the first time, and killing Chaser while having dealt at least 35% of the HP will give you 1 knowledge and can be repeated. Killing the Duke of Arisia for the first time will give you 2 knowledge once you are teleported from the dungeon. Killing the Scion of Ethereum, killing the Dread Serpent will give you 2 as well. Using the Moon's Eye Tome Relic grants 100 knowledge for the first time and 50 more for each subsequent use, and completing waves in the Diluvian mechanism, which gives around 20 in total when completing through wave 50. The limit of on-hand knowledge that you can have is 999. I hope I was able to help you on how to get knowledge Deepwoken Layer 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.